Are you searching for the best canister vacuum in 2026? With so many new models offering stronger suction, quieter operation, and smarter features, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we've carefully researched and compared the latest options to bring you the top 5 best canister vacuums of 2026. Whether you need powerful cleaning for carpets, gentle care for hard floors, or a pet-friendly solution, this list will help you find the perfect vacuum for your home. Let's get started. On number 1 is the Eureka 3670M Canister Cleaner, Yellow, is a lightweight, multi-surface vacuum designed to clean both carpets and hard floors with ease, making everyday home cleaning straightforward. Its compact canister body and long hose make it easy to navigate under furniture, around legs, and into corners without strain. In real-world use, it delivers consistent suction on dust, crumbs, pet hair, and general debris on a variety of surfaces. The package includes 5 vacuum bags, adding value and reducing the need for immediate replacements. Pros: easy to maneuver and carry, effective on carpets and hard floors, bags included, simple operation, and good everyday performance. Pros: canister design helps reach tight spaces and stairs more easily than upright sticks. Cons: suction is good but not as powerful as premium upright or canister vacuums. Cons: reliance on disposable bags adds ongoing cost and waste. Cons: basic accessories with no specialty tools for deep crevices or upholstery. Cons: corded design means frequent outlet changes during larger cleanups. Cons: regular bag and filter maintenance is required to maintain performance. Overall, it's a solid, budget-friendly canister vacuum for general home use, but not the best choice if you want top-tier suction, advanced tools, or cordless convenience. On number 2 is the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team Bagged Canister Vacuum, Tech Blue, is a well-built, reliable household cleaner that delivers consistent suction on hard floors, tiles, low to medium pile carpets, and area rugs. Its bagged filtration system helps contain dust and allergens effectively, making it a good choice for allergy-sensitive homes. The turbo brush adds extra agitation to lift embedded dirt and pet hair more efficiently than basic floor tools. In real-world use, it's easy to maneuver around furniture with smooth gliding wheels and a generous reach thanks to its long cord. Pros: strong and steady suction, excellent dust containment with bags, effective turbo brush on carpets, smooth and easy handling, and solid long-lasting build quality. Pros: great for mixed floor types and daily household cleaning. Cons: ongoing cost for replacement bags and filters, which adds to long-term ownership cost. Cons: heavier and bulkier than lightweight stick or handheld models. Cons: accessories are adequate but not as extensive as some premium multi-tool kits. Cons: lacks cordless freedom and advanced smart features, no app or battery operation. Cons: turbo brush is less effective on high-pile carpets. Overall, it's a dependable and durable canister vacuum ideal for traditional household cleaning with strong performance and filtration, though not the most modern or feature-rich option. On number 3 is the Miele Boost CX1 Parquet Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner is a compact, corded model engineered for strong suction and everyday cleaning. It uses Vortex technology and a HEPA air clean filter to capture fine dust and allergens, making it great for allergy-sensitive homes. Its lightweight and maneuverable design glides easily around furniture and into corners. The build feels solid and practical, with smooth rolling wheels and a simple dustbin emptying system. In real-life use, it excels on hard floors, picking up dust, crumbs, and pet hair with minimal effort. Pros: powerful suction, excellent filtration, easy handling, and user-friendly maintenance. Cons: smaller dustbin, shorter cord reach, and weaker performance on deep carpets due to no motorized brush. Compared to cordless stick vacuums, it delivers stronger, consistent power but lacks freedom of movement. It's quieter than many uprights and ideal for stairs and smaller spaces. While not perfect for heavy carpet cleaning, it offers good value for its target use. Overall, I'd recommend it for users with mostly hard floors and allergy concerns who want reliable daily performance. On number 4 is the Kenmore 600 series pet-friendly bagged canister vacuum is designed for powerful whole-home cleaning, especially in households with pets. It features a dual-motor system and the Pet PowerMate, which delivers strong agitation for removing embedded pet hair from carpets and upholstery. The HEPA filtration system effectively traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, making it suitable for allergy-prone users. Build quality is sturdy, with a durable canister and an aluminum telescoping wand that feels solid in everyday use. In real-life cleaning, it performs very well on both carpets and hard floors, handling pet hair and fine debris with ease. The pop-and-go brush and 4 onboard tools add versatility for different surfaces. Pros: excellent pet hair pickup, strong suction, effective HEPA filtration, long retractable cord, and versatile attachments. Cons: slightly heavier than newer compact models, bulkier storage footprint, and bag replacements add ongoing cost. Maneuverability is good, though it can feel less nimble in tight spaces. Compared to lightweight cordless vacuums, it offers far better deep cleaning power but less convenience. Overall, it provides strong value for pet owners needing reliable, thorough cleaning. I would recommend it for medium to large homes with carpets and pets. On number 5 is the Bissell 2156A Zing Canister Bagless Vacuum is a budget-friendly, lightweight canister vacuum ideal for basic everyday cleaning tasks. It uses a simple but effective bagless design with a multi-cyclonic system to separate dirt from airflow, offering decent suction on hard floors and low-pile carpets. The vacuum is easy to maneuver thanks to its compact size and smooth rolling wheels, and the easy empty dirt tank makes maintenance straightforward. In real-life use, it handles dust, crumbs, and light debris well, though performance on thick carpets and heavy pet hair is modest compared with more powerful models. Pros: affordable price, lightweight and easy to use, bagless convenience, and simple maintenance. Cons: limited suction on dense carpets, small dust bin, and fewer advanced features like HEPA filtration or specialized pet tools. Its basic toolset covers general cleaning but lacks a motorized brush, so deep carpet cleaning can require multiple passes. Compared with higher-end canisters like Miele or Kenmore models, the Zing sacrifices power and filtration for simplicity and value. Overall, it's a solid choice for small apartments, hard floors, and occasional use, and I'd recommend it to budget-oriented users who need a straightforward, no-frills vacuum rather than intense deep cleaning performance.